Want to get Amazon gift cards without spending your own money? Imagine shopping on Amazon and paying with a gift card you earned online. Sounds exciting, right? Today, I'll show you how you can access Amazon gift card opportunities using my website, www.usaoffers.online. Every day, thousands of people search for free Amazon gift card codes, Amazon promo codes, 100 Amazon gift cards, $500 Amazon gift card offers, but here's the truth. Most websites you find online are fake, outdated, or filled with spam. Some even ask for suspicious downloads or personal information. That's exactly why I created a simple platform where you can explore verified promotional opportunities in one place. Let me introduce you to my website, www.usaoffers.online. This platform is designed to help users discover promotional offers, reward opportunities, and gift card-related deals in a simple and organized way. Instead of jumping from one random website to another, you can check updated opportunities directly from one place. Here's how you can use the site. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to www.usaoffers.online. The homepage lists available promotional opportunities and reward-based programs. Step 2. Choose an Amazon gift card-related offer. Look for sections mentioning Amazon gift card promotions, reward-based surveys, limited-time promotional deals. Click on the offer you're interested in. Step 3. Complete the required steps. Most legitimate reward platforms work like this. Sign up on the promotional platform. Complete simple tasks like surveys, trials, or app installs. Follow instructions carefully. Important, always read instructions before participating. Step 4. Verify and redeem. After completing required steps properly, eligible users may qualify for promotional rewards, including Amazon gift cards, depending on the campaign. Remember, there is no instant generator. Real reward systems require participation. It's very important to understand there is no magic Amazon gift card generator. No website can legally generate unlimited Amazon codes. My website does not generate codes. Instead, it helps you find structured promotional opportunities where rewards may be available through participation. Here's why you should use www.usaoffers.online. Organized and easy to navigate. Focused on promotional opportunities, saves your time from random searching updated content. Instead of wasting hours searching on YouTube or Google, you can check opportunities directly. If you're interested in exploring Amazon gift card opportunities, visit www.usaoffers.online. Check available offers, follow instructions carefully, and don't forget, like this video. Comment if you have questions, subscribe for more tutorials on online reward opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.